Hi, Maria Fernanda here. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the third chapter of our free Spanish beginners training. Great work! One more chapter to go, and then your third milestone here at Spring Spanish. Yay! You now know the most important Spanish grammar rules, such as the pronouns, noun gender, the articles. There are a lot, right? When to use ser and when to use estar, as both mean verb to be, and how conjugations work in Spanish. Are you ready for the last chapter of our free Spanish beginners course? I hope you are, because now you will learn the basics of a conversation in Spanish, and then it will help you to have your first simple conversation with a native. You will learn how to make small talk, how to ask questions, how to apologize, how to describe someone, even yourself. You will also learn to speak about the most important topics, including nationalities, family, hobbies, and work. ¿Estás listo? Entonces, sígame. By the way, if you like what you learned so far and you would like to take your Spanish a step further than just our YouTube videos and get really serious about learning it, then why don't you check out our free Spanish training, where we will teach you our method that we use in this Spring Spanish Academy to get you speaking fluent Spanish in no time. Without boring grammar rules, without memorization of endless word lists, we do this with a method called conversation-based chunking, which actually you have been using secretly with our Spring Spanish videos. And if you want to know more of how this method works, and you want to get a free in-depth Spanish lesson straight from our academy, then go and sign up on the link in the description box. Ready for chapter 4? ¿Estás listo?